Hello, my friends. I am so happy to hear from you, and I have received a few DMs and messages and emails about how do I choose a product or solution that is most optimal and best for my situation. So today I'm going to show you 3 very simple tools that you can use to immediately know if something is right for you. These 3 simple tools are so easy to incorporate, and the first one is no cost. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to do anything. It's such a good practice. This is called applied kinesiology, also known as muscle testing. And it is a beautiful approach and a beautiful science for you to learn so that you can tune into your body, your mind, your spirit, your bioenergy field, get it all aligned very, very quickly, and then learn how to test if something is optimal or right for you. So this is completely free information. There's nothing I'm selling here. There's nothing I'm offering here other than to educate yourself on how to align with yourself so that you know what is best for you. And you can use this in any store. You can use this while you're shopping online. You can use this when you're viewing videos, content, blogs, articles, anything. So you're not wasting your time anymore, and you can know within seconds if something is exactly correct for you and you need to listen to this information, or if you need that product that's being talked about, or if you view something online and you're really more of an impulse buyer, but a lot of times what your impulse purchases end up being is not aligned for you. This is going to teach you a very quick tool, a very fast tool, so that you can look at something and immediately know if it's a yes or a no for you. So the first thing with applied kinesiology is it works on the idea of bioenergetics, which is something that is in my expertise. That's what my PhD is in. That's what my training is in. And it's all about the quantum bioenergetic field that you resonate with. Keep in mind that every single thing is energy that's made manifest. For example, we talk about the entire universe and our entire reality being a hologram. It's a holographic experience that your mind is pushing out or your soul is pushing out for you to experience so you can quantum leap and grow into your highest and best version of yourself. All the challenges along the way are designed to help you level up. So if you think of life as a game, like a video game, and it's just a holographic experience, and you don't get too tied to the trauma and the drama of it, you're going to have an incorporation factor of a more solutions-oriented thinking and a more aligned pattern for how your life should unfold. So before we get into all of this, it's very important for you to understand that 4%, only 4% of our entire quantum reality is made up of physical, material things that we can see, that we can touch, that we can experience physically. Everything else, the rest of the 96% of the multiverse universe, however you want to incorporate it, or all the planes, is not capable to be seen through our eyes, felt through our fingertips, or believed in from a perspective of limited belief systems or dogma or anything like that. So once you learn that everything has a magnetic field and everything has an arc field and everything has a bioenergetic quantum field that can interrelate and interact with you, you know then that when one electron is connected or tied through I guess you could say a cord, an energetic cord, wherever that electron exists in the multiverse, if it vibrates a certain way, the other electron is going to be immediately, instantaneously activated and vibrate the same way. Once you understand that, it's very simple. Don't overcomplicate this. Then you know that whenever something is optimal for you, it's going to resonate at the same vibrational field that you are currently in. This is why I don't teach raising your vibration or activating your vibration. I teach you how to connect to your deepest core vibration, because that is your most authentic self. That's your most true nature. And learning to vibrate from within that is going to naturally attract and magnetize things to you. Keep in mind, the universe does not like a void. It does not like a vacuum. So this is why we talk about why law of attraction only works on very limited options, but law of magnetism, law of delight, and a bunch of other universal laws work on a much grander scale to just pull things into you very, very quickly. So with all that being said, I'm going to teach you 3 tools. The first one, like I said, is kinesiology. So what you want to do is you want to rest. Make sure your hands are applied or stationary for a second. Make sure both feet are planted firmly on the ground. Ground yourself. Breathe in deep. Relax. Tell yourself, I am in pace. P-A-C-E. This is something that a beautiful woman taught me. Pace means present, activated, clear, and energized. Pace. You can use that. If you're not feeling it, if you don't feel in alignment, you can also use that word. I am in alignment. Mind, body, spirit, soul. Whatever you need. Mind, body, heart, soul. Mind, body, spirit, higher self. Whatever you need to feel aligned. But first, alignment. So one of the things I teach people is to put their left hand over their heart and their right hand over their sacral chakra and tell themselves, I'm aligned, and breathe in 3 times. Hold, and as you hold, say, I'm in alignment or I'm in pace, and breathe out. Repeat that 3 times before you charge yourself to be able to test for anything that you want to test for. So this is a simple thing. This is super easy. And in the next 2 videos, I'll show you 2 other strategies you can use that is going to require you to purchase some things. So what you want to do is use your middle finger. The middle finger is directly connected, and you can use your left hand or your right hand, depending on how you feel. Since I tend to use my left hand to hold something because my vibrational resonance is stronger in my left hand than my right hand, I will pick something up and I will hold it, and then I will test, okay? So what you want to do is make sure that your aura is strong, your bioenergy field feels strong, that you feel alignment, you feel grounded, your legs are not crossed, no crossed energy, okay? So you're going to program yourself. Now you can use your index finger or your middle finger. Wherever you have alignment into your core energy field is going to be best for you. For me, it's my middle finger on my right hand, which is why I wear my ankh on this hand. This is just a vibrational strengthener, so when I'm questioning something or I need help with something, I can get an immediate yes/no response, okay? So how you program this is you say weak energy is a no, you're flicking it away. It doesn't want you. You don't want it. It flicks it away from your energy field. No, 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 no. This is called programming your muscle memory to have an immediate response, okay? Now, for a strong response or a yes, or oh my gosh, I really want this or I really need this, you're going to tell your body saying, hold, hold, hold. And then you're going to say, yes, yes, yes. Strong, strong, strong. Yes, yes. No, no, no. Weak, weak, weak. All right? Very simple. So now I'm going to use these 2 crystals in as an example. Put my hand over one crystal, just like that. I'm going to ask, do I need this crystal right this minute? Strong, yes. All right, so I'm going to leave that there. My selenite crystal. Do I need this crystal now? Strong, yes. Okay, so we know we're going to leave these 2 crystals here. Now, I'm going to select 3 oils, Bliss Out, Liquid X, and this is just an example. You can use anything. You can use literally anything under the sun. And once you get really good at this, you can walk through any store and find it immediately. So here's how it goes. Am I angry right now? Do I need chill pill? No, weak. Do I need Liquid X? No, weak. Do I need Bliss Out? Yes, I need Bliss Out. So that is how you test for a product that you feel like you're not sure if you need. Hold it one more time, yes. If you're looking at it on a website, all you have to do is point to it and say, do I need this right now? No, yes. Do I need this next week? Yes. Do you see how this works? Super simple, super easy. Practice it every single day, and you will be able to determine within moments, within split seconds, what you need for your life. Hope this video helps you select better products for yourself. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to DM me. I'm happy to teach you more. Love you. Bye-bye.